Alright, all you log lovers. It's going to be the video for Wally Clump's Rifleman. We are not in January or December. February. February 16th, 4:30. Alright, allow me to go down here and type live. Get started. Alright, I'm going to go live. Okay, live. Current time 4:27. Wow, that is off. 4:31. Why is that off? Let me do this. Let me refresh this. Do this again. Just so that we are accurate. Oh, okay. Must have froze up because I was sitting on the page for a while. Alright. 4:31, 4:31. Come on. Alright. Here we were live. Go get the list. Any day now. Come on. Alright. 38 spots. Do a copy paste thing here. Come on. Come on. Alright. Copy. Alright, new giveaway. Man, why is this shit running so fucking slow all the goddamn time? Alright. Wally's blog. Paste. Alright, start at the top, work our way down. $38. Back up. Roll 3 dice. Going 5, 8, 9, 10. Alright. Alright, here we go. 1. Yes. Okay. On the bottom we get our timestamp. 32, 32. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And next one for the winner, 10. Spot 19, Jason Fatty Boom Chan. You are the winner. Congratulations. Go ahead and shoot Wally an email, and you guys can get all the details hashed out. You see we went 10 times. Result around 10 is spot 19, Jason. 4:33. We got a timestamp here. Go down. I'm going to get my verification code. Alright, right here. Copy that. Alright, back over here one more time. Jason Fatty Boom Chan, spot 19 is the winner. February 16th, 4:33. We're at 4:33. Alright, I'm going to go back over here and do another official timestamp. World clock is not agreeing with me today. 4:31. Alright, we're going to refresh this one more time. Sorry guys, I just want to be accurate here. Alright, 4:33. 4:33. Okay. Go back to rad. Any day now. Alright. Down here, type in done. Alright. Done. That's it. And here's the verification code. And we are good. Thanks, guys.